Wow. Malikot siya ngayon. Oh, careful there, ha?
Monkey, monkey, come here. Here.
Pagod na. And Ken, you're tired?
Other one here.
You put in front. Wala siyang kasama, sabi. You put here in front. You have two tails. Yeah.
It's not two tails.
What's that? It's your tail. Yalla, you run. Ah, you're eating now? May binigay na baboy si ano eh. Si Madam Sue.
Oo nga eh. Nung dumating doon sa bahay, where's the brother of my pig? Sabi niya. Nahanap ko.
Oh, layo na.
Hala! Hala! Rene! Ay sus, pumunta na sa aso.